Hey guys, welcome back. Got a package from Benlari. Something I've been wanting for a while. The thing we hate the most on X3s is no storage, right? So, and buying the expensive ones from Can-AM and all that costs an arm and a leg. You know, when you put a bunch of stuff on your side-by-side, you kind of like, it never ends, right? So put a link in the description below and for where you guys can get these, and they're not expensive and they got lots of room for everything, so you can fit basically anything you want. So they come in packs of 2s and they basically go in your door and velcro on your door. So basically, I guess, loosen all the velcros to start off with. So this is simple enough. And the first one is velcroed in there too. That's basically one you can remove. So slap it in the back right here and right here. Tuck it in. And get those velcros around the bar. Top. Start with the middle one. Pretty easy to install. Last one. Once you have it on the bar, you can literally slide it forward and backwards to line them up. And get this as tight as possible. Alright, let's redo the middle one. Get it tighter. Here we go. And let's redo the back one, just to snug them all up real good. Alright, so it doesn't seem to affect your shock if you do put one of those shocks on there. Absolutely not. So that's good. The handle like this. We'll see in a second if it affects it. Yeah, it might affect if you have a handle like this. If you got the OEM handle, then you don't worry about it. And basically, it's Velcro. And you just hook it to the top of the bar, like so. And what's nice, if you do have one of those handles, it's fully removable. So, and then just stick it on the Velcro in the back and it fits there. But I can imagine that even though it's there, that you can still reach in. Oh yeah, it's not. You can still put your finger in between it and it still won't affect it. So basically, these got room for if you want to put your phone there or stuff here or whatever, and then stuff in there, like you can fit probably 4 GoPros, so give you an idea of the size. This one here is pretty big. The zippers, they're nice and sealed. They got like a material that like you see right on top. You can't even see like the little clippings there, so it hides them so that like it's not going to fill up with mud. Like it looks like it's completely sealed up for the mud, so they should work nicely. There's nice padding inside, and the zippers work nicely. And this one here in the middle, just to give you an idea, 2 fists. So I fit 2 fists in there, so you can put probably tools, pliers, stuff like that if you need to put stuff like that, or your cell phone and stuff like this. And yeah, so inside wise, while sitting down, to see how comfortable and easy access they're at. So yeah, everything is accessible. And this here will work as a pad for your knee, so that's nice. And yeah, everything's accessible from inside, so like not a problem. So yeah, so I'll put a link in the description below. Like I said, the handle's still accessible. So these are from Benlari. So I believe you can find these guys on Amazon and everything, but I'll put them in the link in the description below. So thanks for watching. Yeah, it's a nice little, and not expensive, and it will do away with the no storage space, because we all know, like, there's, if you only got your glove box, you got no room. So I'll have fun putting the other one on, but you guys don't have to watch me put the other one on. So we'll catch you on the next one, and thanks for watching. This is another little simple one. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll keep making these videos for you guys. All right, catch you on the next one. Bye for now.